Look at this little bad boy, American import, XV1700 Roadstar. 2008, 57 plate. It looks brand new. Hopefully you watched it in HD. Press that button in the corner of the screen and you'll see it in all its glory. It's just so clean, it's been looked after, beautiful. 12,220 miles from new, that's all. A few nice extras on this as well. It comes from the factory with the footboards and the big chunky brake and things like that. But in addition, this particular model has the touring screen on there, the big screen, semi-hard panniers, proper Yamaha panniers, and the backrest. It's got a heel and toe gear changer as well, makes it dead easy, dead comfortable, and engine bars on there. But just come and have a look at this bit, look at that. Look at the top of the yokes there, absolutely perfect. That's the sort of place where they crackle a little bit on the glazing if they're not being looked after, but it's just spotless. Proper little Bobby Dazzler. I'll start it up so you can have a listen. White wall tyres as well to give you that proper easy rider look. You know where we are, you know where the bike is, give us a ring. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.